2-cheater pipe wrench saved me a lot of time. You don't need 3 or 4 different pipe wrenches coming into the job site. You can get away with 2, sometimes even 1.
You can change it from a 10-inch pipe wrench to an 18 to a 24. So you don't have to lug around 3 different pipe wrenches, it's just one. I can easily move around in a tight furnace area or go downstairs and put some 2-inch together. It's very versatile. The jaws are narrower, so you have the 10-inch jaws. You can get into tight spaces.
Where you are working with larger diameter pipe, you still have the large jaw on a small handled wrench.
The steel and aluminum pipe wrenches definitely feel durable.
The overbite that's on that jaw is just phenomenal for grip. It just seems to fit snug on anything you put it on.
The grip on the jaw is not slipping. It's easy to move the grip. It stays in place. It's much better than the competitors.
The handles are finally shaped to your hand.
I think all of the Milwaukee pipe wrenches have been made to fit the trades.
Milwaukee, hands down. It grips better, it feels better in my hand. You can just feel the durability of it, the strength of it. Everything about the Milwaukee is just it's unmatched.
The ultimate in versatility and gripping power. The Crescent 10-inch locking adjustable wrench combines the secure fit of an adjustable wrench with the torque and clamping power of locking pliers in one tool. Smooth action adjustable jaws open for larger sized fasteners, and serrated teeth provide a non-slip grip. To use, adjust the jaws to a fastener and clamp the locking pliers. The jaws lock tight and double the gripping power, even on rounded fasteners. Now you can apply more torque without slipping. The quick release makes repositioning fast and easy. A chrome finish resists rust and corrosion. The laser etch scale makes size adjustment quick and easy. And a dual material handle maximizes comfort and control. Visit CrescentTool.com.
Sharkbite push-to-connect fittings. How to install PEX, copper, and CPVC pipe. The Sharkbite universal brass push-to-connect fittings create a seamless and easy transition between different types of pipe materials. No tools are required, and the fittings can even be installed in wet lines. The fitting can be rotated after installation, so you can install without having to worry about how it's positioned. To get started, first identify the pipe material. Sharkbite universal brass push-to-connect fittings are compatible with PEX, copper, CPVC, PERT, and HDPE pipe. Sharkbite fittings come with a PEX stiffener preloaded into the fitting for PEX, PERT, and HDPE. The PEX stiffener does not need to be removed for copper or CPVC applications. Cut the pipe as cleanly and squarely as possible. Be sure the pipe is free of scratches and debris. If you are handling copper pipe, remove any sharp edges or burrs on the pipe. Next, use your Sharkbite depth and deburr tool to measure and mark the insertion depth on your pipe. You can find the insertion depth chart on sharkbite.com. Push the fitting to the insertion mark you just made on the pipe. Now, turn on your water and check the connection. Unlike other fittings, Sharkbite universal brass push-to-connect fittings can be removed and reused if changes are necessary. To remove the fitting, use a Sharkbite disconnect clip or tong. To use the disconnect clip, snap it onto the pipe, press the release collar using the disconnect clip, and pull the pipe from the fitting. To use the disconnect tong, slide the tong over the fitting and the pipe. Squeeze the tong to press the fitting's release collar and pull the pipe from the fitting. The Sharkbite universal brass push-to-connect fitting is ready to reuse. Using Sharkbite is fast, efficient, and reliable.
Experience straighter, cleaner cuts and best-in-class durability. Introducing Mini and Constant Swing copper tubing cutters from Milwaukee. Constant Swing cutters feature 4 chrome rollers to stabilize copper to give you straighter, cleaner cuts. Chrome rollers offer best-in-class rust protection when exposed to water. This means longer life to keep these cutters performing at the highest level over time. Cut up to 1.5-inch copper tube and go quickly from cut to cut with a smooth adjustment knob. Both Constant Swing and Mini copper tubing cutters feature an easy, tool-free blade change. Mini copper tubing cutters get 5 times longer life with a proprietary adjustment mechanism that removes common failure points found in competitive cutters. Cut with ease by utilizing an easy grip knob that gives you the leverage you need to make the cut. Straighter, cleaner cuts and 5 times longer life. Copper tubing cutters from Milwaukee.